Hey everybody, it's Natalie. I'm back with another beauty supply business video. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the do's and don't of running a beauty supply store. And this was a special request, so hello, thanks for the request. Let's get straight into it. The first thing I'm talking about is the don'ts. First of all, don't give refunds. There's going to be people that's going to buy something and they're going to take it home, they're not going to like it, and then they're going to expect you to give them a refund. No. I always write down on my receipts, at the bottom of my receipts, it says we do not do returns, and make sure it's up somewhere by your counter so that they know that there will be no money given back at all, okay? I learned this lesson myself because I had a lady come in and I knew her, so I was like, okay, I will just go ahead and give you an exchange. Now, I wasn't there when the exchange was taking place, but the wig no longer had a tag, it was nappy. I mean, it was just out of control. And then also another person returned a wig, and this is a wig that we didn't even sell at our store. I mean, I never seen this wig a day in my life. I know for a fact I never ordered it. So do not give returns. There's no reason for nobody to be giving any money back, and all sales should be final, period. People are going to be unhappy. They're going to buy hair that they don't like, and that's not your fault. So no returns. Second, don't let customers see you sweat, and don't let rude customers bother you. There's going to be people that come in for whatever reason. They might not like you. Because I've had people that come in that know me, and they're just coming in the store just to look for something wrong. There's going to be rude customers. They're going to get mad. They're going to say you don't have anything they need. And there was a time where I had a lady that was running through my store like it was almost like she was looking for something to be wrong. She was running through the store. Oh, you don't have this. Oh, I don't like those kind of lashes. Actually, I'm just going to go to Louisville. I said, okay, well, I'm sorry. We're a growing business. We're adding things as we go. So what we might not have today, we might have in the future. So I encourage you to come back and check. And all those rude customers that had an attitude when we first opened are happy customers. And they are so happy we are here. There's going to be people that are going to be mad for no reason. And sometimes there are going to be customers that just simply don't want to talk. So always keep great customer service. Always treat every customer with the best respect, because that's going to help your business to get word of mouth. No matter if they was rude or not, they're not going to have anything bad to say about your business. So professionalism is very, very important for your name. You just want a business that is going to have people coming back, and you want people to speak highly of your business. Who wants a business where the people are having an attitude? People are being rude. People are there just to take your money. That's going to make customers not come back. So no matter who the customer is, even if you think they're stealing, there's been customers where they look so broke. There's been customers that look so broke to the point where I'm watching them just to see if they were stealing, and I'm being fake nice, like, can I help you with anything? Because I'm watching them. And those would be the customers that sit there and spend $200-300. So you don't really know. You can't judge people by the looks of them. So I treat everybody with respect as if they're going to spend the most amount of money, because you never know. Third, don't get discouraged. Running a beauty supply business is going to be a lot of ups and downs. There's going to be times where you're uncertain if you don't even know if this is what you should be doing, because sometimes there's going to be days or even weeks with low sales. There's going to be times where nobody comes in. There's going to be times where you might struggle starting off, because a new business is hard. It's not a straight up line. It's rocky, and you're going to want to give up at times. Truthfully, there's been times where I want to give up because I'm like, am I doing the right thing? Is it worth it? It seemed like, it's things are moving slow, and I was like, man, this money's not coming in fast enough. It's going to reward you in the end, but it's not an overnight matter. And a lot of the money that you get when you first start your business is going to have to be reinvested to add more products to your business. So don't get discouraged, and keep pushing forward, and keep learning from your mistakes. So make adjustments as you go along. If you see an area that's lacking, improve on that area. If you see certain things that sells more, get more of that item, and just continue on to find ways to market your business and get your business name out there and to attract more customers, whether it be through advertisement or just even posting on social media. But always be working to improve your business, and don't get discouraged. There's going to be ups and downs along the way. Let's talk about the do's. What to do. First, do learn about products. There's going to be customers that come in and they're going to want to know things like, what kind of products is good for damaged hair. You know, some people have hair issues where they have alopecia, so they're going to want to know what are good products to heal their hair, what are products that are good for dyeing. They're going to know what all they need to dye their hair. They're going to want to know about wigs. You know, there's going to be different kind of wig requests that people want. They might want a certain type of lace, or they want to know how to install a wig, because there's some people that come in and it's their first time even purchasing a wig. So you want to be knowledgeable when your customers come in so that you can help them, which is going to really look good on your customer service. And it's going to help you to get more sales because you're going to know exactly what they need, and you're going to be able to help them to get what they need instead of being confused and lost and then potentially losing a customer because you don't know exactly what they need. So always be learning about products, always be learning about different types of hair, always be open to learning more about your products. My second do would be to listen to your customers. There's trends are constantly changing. People are doing different hairstyles. Trends come and go. So always pay attention to what your customers are looking for, what they want, items that you might not have that they're looking for. Because if one person's looking for it, I'm sure more people are. So pay attention, because everybody has different customers. No matter wherever you're at, whatever your demographic is, whatever your location is, certain things are going to be more popular in that area. And that's the only way you can learn what people are wanting is by listening to your customers. They're going to tell you what you need to purchase. They're going to tell you what you need to prioritize, because you're not going to be able to have everything. So your customers will tell you. I don't buy a lot of burgundy hair anymore because a lot of people don't ask for it. They don't purchase it. It's sitting there. It's not being bought as far as wigs. So I get more of the color blondes, honey blondes, the 613s, the blacks, the 1Bs, and the 2s. In the beginning, I didn't purchase a lot of 2s or 4s because my own self, my own thinking thought that nobody wanted that color because I did. So I had to put myself in my customer's shoes and start to realize, okay, there's people that want these colors more than I thought. So I'm listening to my customers and I'm learning and I'm making adjustments as I go along. The third thing I would say is do invest in marketing. A lot of businesses fail because they simply don't have a marketing plan and they don't include that in their business plan. They just set up a shop and then they just sit there and they expect customers to come. Always got to be attracting new customers. And I got some really great advice from a guy, and he said to see whose customers that you can steal. People don't care about they're not very loyal to just one hair store. They're going to go what's convenient for them. They're going to go what's in the forefront of their brain. So if you're marketing, if you're running ads, you're going to put yourself in the forefront of their brain and their thinking. And when they think, oh, I need hair products, they're going to come to you because they've been seeing you on commercials, or they see your flag when they drive by, or they see your products out when they drive by, or they're seeing Facebook ads, or you're on social media. You have a social media presence and they're constantly seeing content that you're putting out. It's going to put you in their ranks above anybody else. So always, always, always be marketing, switching up what you can, do Facebook ads or even run ads on Google. Make sure you have your Google My Business, that you're adding content and pictures and updates to that, because when people Google a business, they're going to show you because you're keeping up with your Google profile. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all I got. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any more questions, and thanks for watching. Bye.